Dr. Elizabeth LaRoche with Body and Face in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Today we're going to be demonstrating how we do laser hair removal. I first started doing laser hair removal approximately 15 years ago because as a gynecologist I had many female patients that had very hairy faces, and it got me interested in helping them out, and their self-esteem skyrocketed. And from that point on, I merged into Body and Face. Christy was marking off the quadrant of the area that she is going to do the laser hair removal. In a bigger area, she does that so she doesn't miss very many spots because it is an overlapping laser beam. As you can see, that little area, the little red mark that you can see is where the laser beam is emitted. We have many different lasers here at Body and Face, and the way we use them depends on the wavelength that is produced by the specific laser. This laser that we're using for hair removal is specifically designed to get to the hair follicles. It is attracted to the dark follicles. It penetrates into the follicles, heats the follicles up, and then destroys the follicles. This process requires 5 treatments. Each treatment, depending on the area that we do, can vary from 15 minutes to, if we do someone's entire legs, that can be 3 to 4 hours. The treatment itself feels somewhat like a little rubber band popping. It can be a little bit uncomfortable. We do offer topical numbing cream. About 65% of our clients request that. The others don't. Everybody's a little different on the discomfort level, but it does cause a little bit of discomfort, like a snapping of a rubber band. We don't do this if you're very tanned because it is attracted to the dark tissue, so therefore that could cause a burn. So we're very cautious and very safe here. Our motto is do no harm. So sometimes we turn people away and tell them they have to come back when they've not been tanning. The different areas that we do the back, we do the legs, we do lip and chin. That takes about 15 minutes. We do the underarms. We do any part of the body that has hair, we can pretty much treat for you. You'll hear people say 100% removal, and that just isn't correct. It does remove 75 to 80% of the hair follicles after the 5th treatment. Each treatment reduces the hair growth by about 20%. It does require maintenance. Genetically, everybody is different about how quickly their body regenerates hair follicles, but it does, and that's why this treatment does not mean you'll never come back again. Most people come back 4 months, 6 months for a treatment, and eventually you may not need to have another treatment at all. We cannot treat very dark skin. We actually do have a different laser with a different wavelength that does, but we can't be as aggressive because of the dark skin and the way the laser is absorbed. Because it's absorbed by the darkness of the follicles, this cannot be used on white hair, red hair, or blonde hair. They've actually tried bleaching the hair and it still doesn't work. So your hair needs to be on a darker side, and we will evaluate you, and if we feel like you will not get a good result, we will be very honest and tell you that. If you want more information, please call Body and Face or check our website.